Hi guys, another day at the Track Junkies event. This is the final event for this year of 2022. Yeah, let's get some lap time going. So I'm just about to go take a ride with Angelo here. Angelo here. On his new GR. He wants to see what it feels like on these tires. It's got the Firestone 8500. So I wanted to see how fast it's able to do on the lap, and let's see if we can time it and see what it looks like. Hey guys, this is Derek Fung, professional race car driver. And the race car, look at it, not even a steering wheel. He controls with his mind. He's just going up for final lap? The fastest lap?
134.
134? You gotta beat it today? Let's do her. Hey man.
Hi.
Hey, so this is Alex. Alex is running a 2022 GR86. Tell me something about your car here and what you've done to the car.
Yeah, so far nothing major things have been done to my car yet. So pretty much wheel tires, coilovers, and brake pads, and also I've got the front splitter that is custom made from X's company. So it's got tons of downforce at the front. I really like it.
This is what it looks like, guys. It's sexy time, right? Yeah. So what is your goal for today?
So for today, I'm gonna try to hit 129, maybe 129. If I can't hit 129, I'll try to go for 130.
128. Let's go.
I don't know. 128 seems a little too. Yeah.
Push it. It's the last day. It's the last day. You gotta push it.
Weather out here is nice and cool.
Yep.
Yeah. It's a PB weather.
That's right. What about Brian?
No 128.
No 120 for Brian?
No.
This is Brian from
Lux Tinting.
Lux Tinting. He's driving this Alfa Romeo Quattrofoglio, Foglio. This Dadmobile is running really quick times here. We were able to hit sub 130s on the Michelin Cup 2 tires on the rear, and the front is running the Supercar 3R.
Yeah.
And how are those tires so far?
Really sticky. They're really good. I'll run them again next year. Might even change them next year. We'll see. But these
Years.
yeah. But these Sport Cup 2Rs are really good though.
Yeah, I think they're really superb tires. These Cup 2 tires last long, as long as they are supposed to be anyways. And they're super grippy, whether it's cold or warm days, and they wear evenly, and they're such a great tires. I'm just about to hop on to the Alex's 2022 GR86. This one's set at our shop with a new splitter, KW V3 pullovers, and the camber plates for camber adjustments, and see how this one goes. I think this is the wrap for the season. The 2022 Track Junkies at radtorque Raceway. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. It's a little bit windy, but we weren't able to hit any mist on like that. But maybe there's next year we're gonna come up with better control arms for more camber adjustments, better tire wear. And next year we'll have a couple more cars out, maybe a Miata, a GT86, a GR86, and an S2000. We'll see you guys next year.